Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. I'm back, guys, on behalf of Six Figure Stamp Club. I just wanted to show you a system that you can use for Six Figure Stamp Club. Yes, they have their website up and running, but what I'm talking about here is a turnkey marketing system that has a webinar and a video that's going to explain the program and how it works a little bit more in depth, in detail, okay? And it has an autoresponder included that's going to follow up with your prospects on your behalf. It has a capture page, so a fully more automated system, okay? So right here, I'm going to show you the site, but before we do that, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? Alright, now let's get started. This system I am on has the sales letter. There's a 2-page sales letter now. You no longer have 4 pages, okay? Or 4-page letters. We have one letter, okay? It's 2 pages, okay? And this is it, and what they've done is actually added it to the website, okay? So as you can thumb through here, and then it personalizes it for you. You can load your picture in here, which is me, they're right there, and your information. Okay, once you click here, it's going to take you over to my 6-figure referral ID, okay? That way you can create your account. So this makes it more automated. Let me show you the capture page. This is the capture page they have, and you can also run traffic to this, guys, too. So not only can you do offline by mailing postcards or letters, you can come here. You send people over here by either buying traffic if you like, or when you mail your postcards and letters, you send them here and they put in their information and they have an autoresponder that's included, okay? Hang on a second. It does a great job of explaining this, okay? So once they go, they opt in, they get these 2, okay? See right here, this is the one I believe that's on 6 Figures website, okay? But it's embedded. It doesn't take you to YouTube. It doesn't take you out of the presentation. It keeps you focused, okay? And then you come down here, and the company does 15 minutes explaining how it works. I think it does, and get a little bit more getting exposure, okay, with 6 Figure. This marketing system would do wonders for you. It's only $19 and a one-time $10 setup fee, okay? So you're only going to pay $19.95 every month. Once you get 3 people, then yours basically is free, okay? But that's very low cost, guys, to automate the system. So when you click this, right, I want you to see that it takes you over, because I'm going to show you, you're going to go in your profile and you're going to put your 6 figures. It's taking me over, and I'm going to show you what it's going to do here in a second. And I'm going to show you how you go down further. The system is lagging. Hang on. Okay, so since I'm a Pearl member, all 4 of these are going to come up. You wanted to join at the black level. So good level to come in at, guys. $300 commissions. How it's going to populate you in there. Hang on one second. Okay, it's moving a little slow. It's lagging because of the video recording. Alright, hang on. Let's see. Okay, so now up here, and it says order now, right? And this is where you're going to get the order form. But all of them are here because I'm a Pearl member. So when you click here, it's going to see it populated my referral link. And it's saying go ahead and create your account right here. Okay? Because that's how you're going to get started. Create an account and register it. And then once your payments are received, that's when the company will go in and activate your dashboard. You can be set up. Okay? So this is pretty cool, guys, that you can get streamlines it for you, so that way you can promote online and offline. Okay, you can track all your sales. Let me show you where you go in and put your 6 figure link. Okay, you're going to log in. You click profile, guys, and right here where it says 6 Figure Stamp Club, you put your link there. As you can see right here, I have my lead secret gen right here too for those 100 leads a day. So just populate that there and click save, okay? And then what will happen is when they click get started right here, it takes them over to Six Figure Stamp Club, where they create the account to create their account under your link, okay? Now let's talk about these numbers real quick. Hang on a second. Alright, real quick. Let's see here. Okay, go to Mail Order Freedom Club to get signed up if you want that system. I'm going to put this link below so you can get the system as well, the marketing system. Now let's talk about this, guys. There's 4 levels, okay, in Six Figure. Now, if you don't want to be a member, you don't have to be a member. You still can purchase leads from us. Just contact me and I will sell you some leads, okay, at the retail cost, all right? But let's talk about the levels and the income that you can make here. I mean, check this out here. Hang on a second. Okay, your 4 memberships, okay, and you have, it's 2 levels with it. Your direct sales and your indirect. So every time your members make money, you make money on the 2nd level. So just think about that. Okay, that's the one I was looking at. Just want to make sure. Okay, so check it out. Alright, so red level, you make $50, guys. You make $150 on the blue level when someone joins you directly. You make $40 on the back end. $300 at the black level, $100 on the back end, $1,000 at the pearl, and $500 on the back end. Okay, but look at all the stamps you get. 10 books of stamps. Okay, with that. In the black, 3 books of stamps. So it's a great way to accumulate your postage and get cash at the same time. Now, I like this example right here. Just imagine at the black level, if you got 5 people, 5 times 300 is 1,500 times 15 books of stamps, guys. That's 300 books of stamps. That's 300 stamps. Okay? Imagine if it was at the $1,000 level. Okay? And then those same 5, they sign up 5 who are on your 2nd level at that same 5. And then you're looking at 5 times 100 on the back end. That's $500. So by you being at the 2nd level, you still are going to get 60 stamps. See how this adds up? This just makes sense. And if you in any other direct mail program, this makes sense to partner with me in Six Figure Stamp Club so that you can get your stamps and still get paid a commission for referring people to be a member of a club that allows you to get leads at a discount rate, guys. It's just a no-brainer. And it's just getting better and better. Like I said, they're automated now. They have their own website set up. But if you want a full marketing system, we'll put this link below to go ahead and get that system for $19.95 a month. But this is a great program to get started in. You can mail letters or you can do cards. They have an option for you. Or you can do both, guys. Or you can alternate them. You know, some months you may want to do letters. Some months you want to do postcards. But what I like is they only have 2 pages. So it's only 2 pages. Even in color, front and back, that's going to be great. And it's not going to be that expensive. And I have custom envelopes if you're interested in that. So join me. And of course, I'm going to match whatever the company's giving you far as leads. But you got to come in at the blue or higher to get my extra leads. Okay? So what I'm going to do, just look at this, marinate and think about this, guys. Look at these numbers. How much commissions do you want to receive? Okay? That is the key. And you can really make a lot of money with this. So I'm going to put the link below. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? But this is the system you want to get to automate this thing, guys. Okay? And if you're looking for more customized, looking for more of a customized postcards, let me know, okay? Because I will get you in touch with the company I use. Though I can put your picture on it and everything so we can look more personalized, guys, okay? So with that being said, I'm going to see you guys on the inside, all right? If you guys have any questions, give me a call. But first, please go check this out and then jot down your questions and give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you at that point, all right? Till next time, See you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.